Hello, welcome to our session Oracle VBCS Cloud. Today we are going to learn about how to use table and CRUD operation. How we can add a table to display the data, display the business object data. The after we will learn how we can create the different page for create using the CRUD operation for updating the new record and deleting the previous record and all things we are going to learn this video. How to show business object data in the table on your VBCS page in your Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Services. You can use a table to display data from CRUD operation. For example, create, read, update, delete operation on your business object. Here is a employee form. For example, employee details, create, update, details, delete employee details. Here is a employee code, here is a employee name, here is a age, here is a employee email, here is a department. User will hit any value and show the button icon. Here is a create, update, details, delete. Create a business object. First ensure you have a business object creating on a visual builder project. Add a table to your page. First of all, drag and drop the table component. Wind the data to the data source. Enable CRUD operation. Create add row. You can add a button, for example, new to page and link to a action that create a new record. For example, here is a components tab. Here is a highlighted box for a table component. Here is a table component. Drag the table component and go to property the table component. Here is a table highlighted box. Quick start. Add the data from a table. Add create page, add edit page, add details page, and add the delete page. All the thing we will today we will cover all topic step by step this video. Let's move to the VBCS instance and go to the practical part. Here is a VBCS instance page, Visual Builder application, Oracle Visual Builder. First of all, I have create a new application. Here is a import tab, here is a new. So first hit on new tab. Here is a create application, application display name. First of all, display application name is a demo underscore CRUD D sorry operation. Here application name is a demo CRUD operation. Go to finish. Here is a welcome to your demo CRUD operation visual application. First of all, I have create a new business object. Here is a tab. Here is a business object tab. Here is a business. Hit on business object. Name the employee. Here is a employee name. Create. This is a business object tab. Overview, field, security, business rules, endpoint data source. First of all, create a field. Here is a field tab. By default, add is a default. Create by date is a default. All value is a already default. First of all, create a field. Hit on field. Here is a field. First, I have create a employee code field. Here is a employee code. Create field. Second is a employee name. Here is a employee name. Create field. Third is a employee age. Here is a employee age. Create field. Fourth is a employee email. Here is an email. create field. Fifth is a employee department. Here is a department. Create as a field. Go to data component and fill the data. Here is a age, department, email, employee code, employee name, ID is a default. First of all, create a data. Hit on raw. Age is a 25. Department is a D001. Email ID is a, here is a employee email ID. Here is a employee code. Employee name is a Pant. Here is a employee. First data value is a field. Here is a employee value. Second is a employee is a 28. Department is a D002. Email ID is a, for example, here is a mail ID. Here is a employee code. Here is a employee name. Here is a two row is added. Go to web app. Here is a, first of all, so we have to create a web application. Here is a plus icon. Hit on plus icon. Here is a application name. Application is a demo card. Here is a create a new application page. Go to site. Here is a main start page. Here is a our application page is a there. First of all, put your heading. Here is a main. Change the name. Title is a employee. Employee. Employee details. Here is a employee details name. Okay. Here is a heading is a page heading is a employee details. Okay. First of all, I have create a table. Drag a table. Go to table component. Here is a table component. Here is a component tab. Search the table. Here is a table. Drag the table components. Here is a table components. Go to property. Here is a table name. Here is a property. Here is general data event all. Quick start. Go to quick start. Add the data from a table from a business object. Here is a our created a business object. Here is a employee business object. Go to next endpoint. Here is a response. Response is a first showing data is a employee, sorry, first is a employee code. Here is a employee name. Here is a employee age. Here is a email ID. Here is a department. Go to next, then finished. Here is a two value is a showing the table. First of all, I have created CRUD operation. For example, first is a add create page. Here is a tap on create page. Here is a data request. So first of all, employee name. First of all, employee ID, employee name, email, age, department. Level is a button level is a create. Here is a go to finished. First button is a created, create, and then create a second button. Here is a edit. User will update the value. For example, employee code, employee name, email, age, department. Button level is a update. User will update the value. Update. Here is a update button. Third is a details. User will, for example, showing the details of a business object. For example, employee code, employee name, email, age, department. Label is a details. Here is a third operation is a create update details, and fourth is a delete. Here is a business object. Go to finished. Change the label. Label name is a delete. Here is a delete label. For example, button is a chroming. For example, call to action. Change the chroming details is a call to action. Here is a call to action. Here is a call to action. Our application is ready. So let's execute this page now. Run the page. Here is a here is a the page we will loaded with all the button and all the level details. Now here you can see already done with create page. If you are select any row, here is a row, here is a select, enable the all rows. For example, first of all create a new employee details, hit on create icon. Here is a create employee details. For example, employee code is E003, employee name is a email ID is a at the rate, age is a 28, department is a D003. Here is a cancel, here is a save. For hit the save button. Here is employee saved, employee record saved successfully. Here is a 3 employee details. For example, update the employee details, hit the here is a click the this employee and click the update button. Open the page is a update. Here is a edit page. Here is a, for example, change the name, name is a, and cancel and save. For example, save employee record successfully update. Here is a name is a update. For example, details, here is a employee details showing. To hit the details tab. Here is a employee details tab is open. Here is a employee code, employee name, employee email, employee age, department. For example, go to back, hit the back button. Here is a main page. For example, delete the employee, hit the employee. Here is a employee details. For example, delete the details. To hit the delete icon, here is a delete. Tap the delete button, and here is a employee 1 successfully deleted. Here is a 2 record and 1 record is a deleted. So friend, this is the simple page we created where we perform the operation. If you have any other query, we want to ask anything, don't forget to put a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video.